Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying support. Confirm your Chrome OS build and whether Android or Linux apps are enabled. This matters for controller mapping. Next, charge and power your controller, then activate pairing mode so devices can see each other. Open settings and go straight to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the Chromebook is within about 3 meters of the controller. These steps let you begin the connection immediately, preventing common detection delays and saving time later when you test inputs. Once paired, confirm the controller appears under paired devices and test a simple input like a button press. You'll see activity in the device list. If mappings aren't correct, open Play Store or Linux Tools and install a controller mapper app. Use Chrome / flags only if necessary and understand the experimental risks. Configure button assignments and stick dead zones, then open a supported app or game to verify analog and digital inputs. Make sure to save mapping profiles so you can switch quickly between games or play styles. You finish by validating controls in your target app, calibrate sticks, set dead zones, and assign any macros. This ensures predictable gameplay. Once done, save profiles, and if you use Linux games, confirm controller appears in Steam input or the game's controller menu. If things go wrong, first toggle Bluetooth or restart the Chromebook, then repair the controller. This resolves most issues. If the controller remains unresponsive, reset the controller or the Chromebook's Bluetooth adapter. That last step clears stale connections and restores functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.